Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you the paneer tikka recipe. Hope you like it. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's see for the recipe of paneer tikka. For making paneer tikka, here I had taken a bowl and 2 tablespoons of curd, which is homemade, and in this curd we will add the spices like red chili powder, the jeera powder and dhania powder, also somewhat black pepper and some turmeric powder. Now in this mixture we will add some ginger garlic paste, some salt as per taste, and near about half tablespoon of garam masala. We will mix this all mixture. For the spiciness we will add here a little bit of chaat masala and the roasted besan flour, which is roasted for 2 to 3 minutes, and salt and some half tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we will mix this all mixture and make a paste or a slurry. Look at this. This is done. Now we will add the cubes of paneer. The paneer is near about 200 grams, and some pieces of onion and capsicum. We will coat it all over and mix this. We will keep this for 30 minutes in a fridge, or outside also is fine. After 30 minutes we will prepare. 30 minutes has done. Now I had taken a skewer. It is wooden actually. The pattern is capsicum, onion and then paneer. We will do like the same pattern of this. First we will take a capsicum, then a piece of onion and the piece of paneer. This is done. Like this way we will do a pattern, and we will make the skewer ready. Look at this. This is the very easy method for making paneer tikka in home. Hope you like it. Look at this, I have done this all. Now what we have to do is we will take a pan and sprinkle some oil over it, and on medium heat we will fry these skewers, the paneer and all stuff, for some time. I'm spreading some oil over it. It started for roasting and cooking also. Move it all around and cook it for some time. With each side we have to cook. Look at this. Like this way we will do this process. Look at this. This is done now. Almost. The paneer is cooked, and capsicum and onion also. All done. Look at this yummy paneer tikka. Let's try for the plating. Here I had taken a plate. I am placing this, and yeah, this is ready for eating a yummy paneer tikka. For some spiciness we will add some sprinkle over it or chaat powder over that, and yep, this is ready. I can't wait for it. So thank you for watching. Please Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also look at the ingredients which we have used in this recipe. Thank you.